Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1222, and today's topic is how to flush out heavy metals from our body with the help of cilantro leaves. In English we call it coriander, and in Indian language we call it hari dhania. We have lot of medicinal importance of cilantro leaves, that is hari dhania, because it contains a lot of anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and also antibacterial, antifungal compounds. But it was not much known that cilantro can act as a very good chelating agent to flush out or to pull out very dangerous heavy metal ions from our body. And nowadays lot of research publications are coming, and more especially it is dependent by some of the researchers that once you are living in very polluted cities like Shanghai, Calcutta, Delhi, Bombay, Lagos, Kano in Nigeria, then you must use cilantro leaves so that you are well protected from the pollutants like mercury, lead, aluminum, nickel, cobalt. These are all heavy metals. And once you are living in polluted cities, slowly you will be inhaling, and there are different sources. Once you are taking deep water fish or even fish, there is chance that fish they contain mercury, heavy metal, lead, heavy metal, and also some vegetables and non-vegetable items, even the meat and some green vegetable and beans which are grown in the soil, because soils are also contaminated with all these heavy metals due to human activities. So in that case we receive from all these sources. Also sometimes we are having different type of lifestyle. We are making tattoos, we are using some other materials which are rich source of these heavy metals. We are getting these metals in our body, and once we are getting these metals in the beginning we will not realize, but slowly in 10-20 years time, once it is accumulated in our organs, in our brain, liver, lung, body tissue, then they are causing serious damage to our health, even going up to that extent that we will be suffering from dementia, Alzheimer's, means short memory loss or long-term memory loss, diabetic condition, and also some cancer and heart problem. So in that case, if we are using this cilantro green leaves with chlorella green algae combination, when these two are blended together, and nowadays capsules are available, I will show you, they are very good and very effective chelating agent or binding agent we can say, and they are capable of binding all those metal ions which are produced inside our body, and it is flushed out through urine. Also, once you are not getting such type of chelating agent capsule, or we can say binding capsule, Then you can do the exercise. There is also one of the method, walking and moving. So with sweating, also these ants are are moving with water, and it will be flushed out side of your body by urination. And the other most important chelating agent is that is called activated charcoal. On that activated charcoal, I am going to take in other lecture, but here I am going to discuss about this hari dhania. In our culture, especially in Indian subcontinent, of course in many places, but in our country I know, it is very common to use hari dhania either in salad or even if any non-vegetarian or vegetarian food preparation is there, we are spreading or putting some small pieces of coriander leaves, that is dhania, hari dhania ki patti, and that is very important from detoxifying of our heavy metal from body. And research publications are indicating, which is very much surprising, that if you are using this cilantro or coriander, actually cilantro and coriander, and both them are there. In our area mostly they don't do the cilantro, but we are using the word that is coriander. But in Europe, America and outside, they are using the word cilantro. So it is hari dhania ki patti. And this one is so effective that if suppose you are suffering from heavy metal intoxication, you are having poisonous effect up to that extent, there is accumulation in your body, you just take for 50 days, that is green cilantro leaves with green algae. Mercury is reported that mercury is up to 95% will be removed, and most of the heavy metals like lead up to 82%, aluminum, nickel, cobalt, they all will be flushed out from 75 to 80%. And you will be free of, that is called toxicity of heavy metal, we can say under pressure of heavy metal toxicity. And here my recommendation after going through all these research papers, if you are staying for few months or few weeks in such type of polluted cities, please include hari dhania in salad in your diet, so that once you stay there for few weeks or few days, and once you are eating, this will immediately bind and chelate all this heavy metal ions from your body. And also, if possible, you can purchase, nowadays supplements of cilantro leaves are available combined with green algae, but it is bit costly. Maybe some, I think 20 capsules cost roughly 20 to 25 US dollar. So if we cannot afford that, cilantro supplement, I will call it in my language hari dhania ke patti ka tablet. Then you add fresh hari dhania in your diet in the form of salad, in the form of just adding in vegetable or meat or stew, and keep on. So it will protect very well. This is the image of very clear fresh cilantro leaves, that is called coriander leaves, and in our Hindi language hari dhania ki patti is the best chelating agent to remove the toxic heavy metal ions from our body. Here in image it is shown green algae, that is chlorella plus cilantro green leaves, and this combination is sold in the market in the name of Silentra supplement, and it is capable of detoxifying up to 90 to 80% of all these heavy metals like mercury, lead, nickel, and cobalt. This is the Cilantro, that is capsule, and it is available. And this Cilantro supplement is nothing but the mixture of that is coriander, cilantro leaf plus green algae, that is chlorella, and this is very much available in the market everywhere in the world. So if you are in any polluted city, once you stay there for a few months, better every day you take this supplement capsule to flush out all the heavy metals from your inside body. So I have given here the summary of Hari Dhania, that is coriander, as a detoxifying agent. Coriander is also known as cilantro. It belongs to family Apiaceae, and the species is Coriander sativum. Number one, heavy metals can take massive toll on your body, health and well-being. Heavy metals first enter in our bodies stream when exposed to eating of the fish, environmental pollution, tattoos, certain vaccination, contaminated water, dental filling, and household products. So these are all sources of getting these heavy metals toxicity, and finally we will be suffering from that is called heavy metal poisoning. Number two, heavy metals such as mercury, nickel, cadmium, lead, aluminum are able to enter in our central nervous system, that is CNS, and bones, and are accumulated for years, make people slow mentally means slow mental work, and also the physical work will be slowed down, that is physical work, and finally they become dangerous for our mental health, and we will get mental condition like dementia and Alzheimer's, means we will be suffering from first short memory disease and then long memory disease, that is called Alzheimer's disease, anemia, autism, depression, and heart problem. Mostly it is related to your mental weakness. Number three, cilantro or coriander or hari dhania acts as detoxifying agent, is best used in conjunction with green algae, that is chlorella, which is blended with cilantro leaves, or we can say dhania leaves, is perfect tool for body detoxification. And you have already seen here that the blended combination of cilantro, that is green dhania leaf plus green algae, and that capsule is sold in the market in the form of that is a supplement to take once you are having problem of suffering from the toxicity of heavy metal, that is algae blended with cilantro leaves is perfect tool for body detoxification. It can flush out lead up to 87%, mercury up to 97%, aluminum up to 74% within 50 days once you take twice in a day, and that is called you are suffering from heavy metal poisoning. So this is the most important we can say research conducted on cilantro green leaves, and they are the best tool as a detoxifying agent to clear very poisonous or dangerous heavy metals, especially like mercury and lead. So with this I will stop, and my recommendation is that once you are staying in New York, Washington, or other countries which are not polluted, then there is no problem. You are safe from heavy metal poisoning. But once you are staying in some Asian countries I have mentioned, like Shanghai, like Delhi, Lagos, Kano, definitely you keep on detoxifying supplement capsule, or if you cannot afford that, you grow hari dhania and add in your diet. With this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.